Gusto mong mag-start mag-offer ng automation services pero hindi mo alam saan magsisimula? Ito yung tatlong pinakamadaling projects na kaya mong ibenta agad. Maraming beginners na gusto mag-build ng systems for clients pero nahihirapan kasi iniisip nila na kailangan ng coding or sobrang advanced tools. Alam mo, hindi mo na kailangan yan. Kaya mo to. So number 1, auto follow-up system. Ito yung workflow na nagsisend ng text or email kapag may lead na hindi nagre-reply. Simple pero sobrang valuable sa mga business owners. Number 2, appointment reminder automation. Magsisend ng SMS or email bago ang meeting. Perfect to avoid no-shows at late clients. Number 3, lead pipeline tracker. Isang visual system kung saan makikita or nakikita mo kung nasaan na yung lead from new inquiry to closed deal. Alam mo, lahat yan kaya mong i-build in Zapify with just drag and drop. Yes, no coding. Imagine mo, tatlong simpleng system lang, pero pag maayos mong na-set up, pwede mo na itong i-offer sa clients for 5,000 to 20,000 bawat isa. Kung gusto mong matutunan kung paano mag-build ng ganitong automations, step by step, start learning inside Zapify.io Academy. Dito nagsisimula yung mga system builders just like you.